Alright, hello everyone! Welcome back to my class. During my today's tutorial, I will teach you how to paint urban sketch illustration in watercolor style. We're gonna talk about one-point perspective, and I will teach you how to paint buildings and people accordingly to those rules. I also will show you two different techniques how to paint people easily. Guys, for today's class I prepared lots of new watercolor brushes along with new texture paper, color palette, my own sketch and my pictures that I drew. I hope you are ready, and I would be very thankful if you could follow me and also share your own artwork in projects and sources section. And I hope now you are ready, and if so, grab your iPad, Apple Pencil and let's paint together. Hi guys, I'm Inga, freelance illustrator. Welcome back to my class, and let's dive into urban sketching and paint all together cool illustration of the city in Procreate. We will explore digital watercolor and create a beautiful illustration. At the end of my class, you will learn more about Procreate, one-point perspective and composition, especially how to use layers, clipping mask, alpha lock, selection tool, and how to add texture, volume, and color variation to your picture. And most importantly, you will learn how to paint picture accordingly to the rules of one-point perspective, how to place objects in a proper way, and how to paint people easily. You can use the illustration you create for posting on Instagram, add it to your portfolio, or sell it on Etsy, Gumroad, and so on. Or just share it with someone whom you really like. I am sure they will be so happy to get an illustration that is created by you. Today I want to show you that watercolor is so simple, and it's a real fun. And in the end of my class, you can see it. Today I will teach you how to create texture paper, what is composition, what is one-point perspective, how to draw people and buildings, how to paint picture from reference picture, how to use my and default Procreate brushes for watercolor painting, how to apply my new watercolor technique, what are the nuances you need to know if you want to create watercolor illustration, how to use alpha lock and clipping mask, how to add texture to your artwork. I will also show you how to add shades and highlights. I will show you my whole process from the start till finish. And as a bonus, I will share with you my new texture paper, lots of custom watercolor brushes, color palette, sketch that I created. I will also add file of my pictures that I drew. Feel free to use it for your own art projects. This class is great for intermediate level, also can be useful for beginners if you watched my previous classes, and experienced artists. Probably here you can find an inspiration and new ways how to create urban illustration with people. Your class project will be next. Paint a city using the tips and brushes that I gave you today. I will use Procreate for this class with iPad and Apple Pencil, so if you have it, or some other drawing pads, or just regular watercolor paper and paints, please join our class, and good luck!